Spicy Ripper alert. What's going on, guys? Zach Calvin here. We're getting ready to take the Drift Camaro to the Freedom Factory. We have some tires that we need to load up. Unfortunately, we don't have the trailer available today, so we're literally going to be loading 4, maybe 6 tires. We'll see how much we can fit. The jack stands, and all the tools into the Camaro. We're driving 3 hours to the Freedom Factory. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and load these. These are the factory wheels. We have some Cosmo tires on them. Ran some Cosmos at an event at OSW last year sometime. My buddy Randy actually put me onto them. Super affordable tire, tons of grip. So I reached out to them, let them know that I have a few events planned for 2021. They were able to give me tires super quick for the Freedom Factory. If you guys are interested in an affordable tire for drifting, definitely recommend them. They're a 300 tread wear tire, so they have tons of grip. They got a lot of good tread depth as well. So if you're looking for a good performance tire that's not going to break the bank, I definitely recommend Cosmo tires. Got 2 in the back, and then we got 2 crammed in there. Now I just need to load up any tools, jacks, and things like that. All right, we're headed out. All right, so at my buddy Abe's shop, he's the one that does the livery and all the designs and stuff on the car. I tried to put on the stage wheels decal, but I did a terrible job, so I figure we'll stop here and pick up a new decal. Looks much better. So if anyone needs stage wheels, use discount code ZC10 for 10% off, and hit up A&G Graphics for any of your graphics, designs, car wraps. He does tinting, shirts, does it all. So tell him I sent you. Let's get back on the road. We made it, boys. Thank you, dude. right, we're heading out. First run, so no idea how we're gonna do.
About to go out with Deco. I'm surprised they let him run because he has no windshield or no windows for that matter. But let's see if we can keep on his door. He's a lot lighter, but we're gonna do our best. That's how you do it. That's how you make an exit.
That's spicy. Spicy Ripper alert. Get out here soloing the national
Buddy.
Spicy. Feels solid.
Yeah, it's fun. It's a little bit low. Oh, it locks up perfect, dude. You'll have a blast with it.
What gears were you using?
In the inside second gear, you can just pin limiter.
Even on the big bank?
On the bank, you would have to do third. I'd say run the inside, see how you like it, and then run the bank.
Gotcha. I love it, bro.
Thank you. What's up, Savio? What's up?
Let's see some cool good trick. Hey, can I get someone to make some noise?
Oh yeah. Let her eat. Yeah, buddy.
Bro.
Hell yeah.
That is good. I think I stopped right at 240. Is that what you said?
Good, brother. I've taken it up to like 250 before and it's been fine, so. Hell yeah.
You want to keep going or what?
You can if you want, man. Yeah.
That's fun.
Least I can do since your car broke.
Bro, you are coming clutch. You know what's driving me crazy though? It's this damn drive-by-wire.
Yeah, it
that
sucks.
delay is for real. Who was that dude?
You did good, bro.
Double 360.
Yeah, you killed it.
His front grip's so different than Donnie that like the first time I whipped it too hard and then it stood up on the sidewalls and so I didn't get like a nice clean.
Yeah.
No, I saw him, but then you learned it real quick.
Yeah.
I'm like the boy could drive.
Yeah.
Right here at the end, yeah. Good? A little bit of rubbish there.
Yeah, it's a little low.
She's low. Alright, we're at 240 though still.
Power for you that time.
She was burning out, dude. I was like, Alright, we'll call it after that. We had 2 good runs. Turn 2, we're like, thanks for letting me drive it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Glad I didn't break, dude. I'm on a street.
I'm glad you had fun.
All right, so that wraps up tonight. We got a little carried away, shredded the Cosmo tires to the core, ejecto bumper. But overall, amazing event. Huge shout out to Cosmo Tires. Couldn't have done it without them. Also, a huge shout out to Stage Wheels. If you guys are interested in any Stage Wheels, use code ZC10 for 10% off. We're gonna go ahead and load up and head home. See you guys later.